How to sell on eBay. Why you should sell on eBay, and how to get started. Selling on eBay has been getting easier and easier over time, with more tools built into the site to help you manage your transactions, especially if you're new to selling. In fact, even if you're already an experienced eBay seller, chances are there are still plenty of ways you can step up your game. If you want to get started selling on eBay, and aren't sure how to do it, this guide will show you how. Decide what you want to sell. eBay is a great place to sell just about anything. If you have something you think people will want, there's a good chance they'll be willing to buy it from you if you list it right. Choose the right platform. You may be wondering which platform is best for you. The answer depends on what your goals are for the business, how much time you want to invest, and what type of products or services you plan to sell. Here's a quick rundown of the options. eBay, your basic auction-style marketplace where sellers list items for sale and buyers bid on them. Amazon, the largest online shopping site in the world, offers both auction-style listings as well as fixed-price sales. Set up your shop. To sell your items, you need to set up an eBay account. The first step is setting up a PayPal account. To do this, go to the PayPal website and click Sign Up Now. Fill out the form with your email address and choose a username and password for your account. The next step is connecting your bank account or credit card with PayPal by entering your banking information. Now that you have an account, it's time to get started selling. List your items. Start with a list of items you want to sell, and then enter each one into the item specifics section. If you're not sure what category your item should be placed in, use the search bar at the top of the page. You can also browse through other listings for ideas about pricing or pictures. When you find an item that is similar to yours, look at how much it's being sold for and how many bids there are. Market your shop. eBay is a great place for you to sell your items. The first step is to create an account and fill in your personal information. The second step is to list the item for sale by clicking Add and filling in the following information: a headline, description, item details, shipping, payment methods, and finally post your listing. After this has been done, you are now ready to get started selling on eBay. Process orders. Set up your account and profile information. List your items for sale, including prices, images, and descriptions. Once you receive an order, review it and send the customer a confirmation email with their purchase information. Items should be shipped within 3 days of receiving the order. If the item is not in stock or if you need more time before shipping, let the customer know by replying to their order confirmation email. Provide excellent customer service. When you give your customers excellent customer service, they are more likely to return. Most people purchase from a company because of the service they offer. When you provide good customer service, it is much easier for your customers to buy from you again in the future. This can also lead them to recommend your site or product to others. Should you sell on eBay? Anyone can easily set up a seller account and start selling on eBay, which is probably why there are almost 17 million eBay sellers. It's also easy to become an eBay seller. You can create an account, list a product, and sell it, all in the same day. If you have old stuff lying around your house, selling it on eBay can be an easy way to get rid of it, while making some money. Your level of success on eBay is up to you. What started as a decluttering initiative may well turn into a consistent side hustle, or could completely replace your current income. If you already sell on Amazon, you'll want to take note of a few key differences between selling on Amazon versus eBay. Instead of competing for the buy box on one listing for a popular product, each eBay seller can create their own unique listing. eBay offers sellers more robust listing optimization than Amazon. Here's how an Amazon listing looks. Note the option to buy new or used in the same listing. Selling on eBay follows a simple formula: the seller lists the item, the customer makes a purchase, and the order is fulfilled. In this step, we'll go over what this means on a general level. The great thing about selling on eBay is that you can start small. Look for stuff lying around your house. Everyone has old electronics, books, or toys currently collecting dust. Product sourcing requires practically zero upfront investment. After selling unwanted items from home, eBay entrepreneurs tend to get bitten by the e-commerce bug and are eager to build full-fledged e-commerce businesses. Learning the basics of what to sell on eBay early can help transform a new eBay business into a solid supplemental income stream, or better yet, a primary one. Are you convinced you need to start an eBay business yet? If not, let's go over eBay's common business models, i.e., what to sell,